to our no-nonsense soldering station this season with the Tenma Adjustable Soldering Station. This soldering station is designed for the hobbyist or classroom, offering durability, convenience in size, and affordability. Simply plug it into the wall. With a heat range up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, get soldering in no time flat. Perfect for the home workbench, tech bench, or lab. It features a rotary temperature setting and an integral tip cleaner, including a cleaning sponge plus one Plato conical tip for your convenience. It offers a temperature range from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. The heating element is 110 volt AC and 50 watts. For the aspiring engineers and innovators alike, the Tenma Adjustable Soldering Station is the gift to unwrap this year.